Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about how much money I made on YouTube in the month of November 2022. My earnings revealed. So guys, as you can see, the best performing video in terms of views is there are two types of streamers in this world, part 2, and there are two kinds of streamers in this world, part 1. And also this all PlayStation controllers from original to PS5. So these are the best performing videos. Now let's jump straight into the statistics, my friends. 115.5 thousand views, 722 hours of watch time, minus 54 subscribers because my old subscribers, this is an old YouTube channel from 2011 and a lot of YouTube channels are being closed for inactivity by YouTube, so those subscribers are being removed every day. So this is normal, and the total amount of earning is $32.70, my friends. So let's dive into a bit of details. So let's see, my friends, there are two types of streamers in this world. Part 1 has garnered $8.73, part 2 has garnered $4.79. Red Chameleon video 1.40, how to open window at BRT Trans Peshawar $1.37, how to direct message anyone on Reddit $0.98. So my friends, what do you think about these statistics? I know the views are a lot, and the reason is that my CPM is low because of most of my views are coming from external traffic sources, so the CPM is low. This is expected. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and let me know how I can improve upon this. I want to join the $100 club. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off.